Okay, today we are going to today I'm going to take a look at the Uniswap V2. So Uniswap V2, I already read the white paper, so I roughly know what's going on with this. But we're gonna use the Ethereum API to actually understand it better. Alright, so we know from the white paper that there is the beginning point is the Uniswap V2 factory. So there's V1 and V2, so now it's V2. And now there's this factory contract which allows you to create new pairs and to get the contract of the existing pairs. So you can do like this one. You have to pay gas for that because you're actually changing the blockchain. Or you can use these guys, and they're read only, so you can do this locally, no cost. Get pair and all pairs length. Okay. Alright, so that's fees. I'm not going to deal with that now. And you can create a pair. Right, so that's the full interface. If you create a pair, it's going to raise this event. So events are just a reminder of the way this works. Is that when you call a function that changes the state, so these functions do not change the blockchain, right? Just information about what's going on right now. But if you call this function that actually creates a new pair, it's going to return a hash of the transaction, but only when the transaction is mined that the pair will be effectively created. So at that point, this event will be raised, and you can listen to that. Okay, so that's that, and we know they told us that the contract is deployed here, so we can go to scan. Let's take a look at this address. So there's 419 transactions. Let's take the latest one. Okay, and the log is actually the event. It's captured as a log. Pair created. Somebody created a pair. And it takes the big one. So these are the two addresses of the pair. Index big 1 token 0, index big 2 token 1 address. Well, there are 3 addresses. Okay, that's interesting. We'll say 2 pairs on it, 2 addresses. Oh, that's the return value. Okay. So it return. This is a new pair. So let's take a look at this address. Right, so this is a Uniswap charged USDT. So that guy created that liquidity pool, and we should have this guy being USDT. This should be the smart contract for ERC20 USDT. Yeah, this is Tether USDT stablecoin, and that one should be the charge, the one that they created. Contract. Oh yeah, charge finance charged. Okay, so I guess somebody okay, somebody created this ERC20. Yeah, ERC20, and there's a bunch of these 5,000 transactions, and he decided to put that into a liquidity pool. So there's a bunch of them. Let's see when it was created. Well, it was only created 3 days ago. Alright, so it's pretty new token. Alright, so let's see if we can do the same analysis. We can get the same information but programmatically. Right. So our starting point is this address 050, right? 050. This is the factory of Uniswap. And first thing we need to do is get Ethereum node. So I'm syncing a node on my machine, but that takes a while. It's like 300 gigabytes now to download. So instead, I'm gonna go to Infura, which offers deployed Ethereum nodes, and then you can get it for free. I think if it's you don't use it too much. So I already have an account, and I can log into this account. Yeah, it's funded by consensus. Okay. So dashboard, and I also create one app. So this is the map. Right. So let's actually go and delete this app. Start from beginning. Settings. And we delete this app. Oh, well, let's do the summary. I'm going to show you the all the secrets here, so I'm going to use this for the time being, and then afterwards we will put that into environment files that is not visible from the on the screen, and then create a new project with the new credentials. But right now we're going to use just these guys. Alright, so our project it's called LP Explorer, so we call it LP Explorer. Then install the various libraries we need. So I need Web3. That's the JavaScript API to for Ethereum. And I want to program in TypeScript. So I'll console TypeScript. Okay. And then initialize our project. Yarn run tc init. Okay, so this is the most basic stuff you can think of now. It just has the configuration for TypeScript, which I'm gonna change just a little bit. So usually I prefer to have a source directory instead of putting the files on the root, and an out directory as well. I call it this. Other than that, is there anything else I need to I want to change? I don't think so actually. I think that's enough. So I can create now a source directory and then put a file in there, index.ts. Right, and there we import Web3 from Web3. Okay. So let's compile this. Yeah. And then it should have created this output. Well, it doesn't really do anything. But that's just a test. Alright, what do they do? What do they tell us about how to use this stuff? Let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, first of all, let's copy this stuff. So we need this one here. We need the project ID. Oh, project ID is already here. So we need the project secret. And then let's see how to actually use this. step-by-step tutorial. So they have an API that is web-based, which I don't think I'm going to really use though. Let's see. I don't know if you can use infra with Web3. That probably that's the case, right? If you're just an RPC, right? If you're WebSockets, I need an example of Web3. Oh, okay, here they go. So const, that's pretty much the same as this guy. And now we create an object Web3, new Web3, and then replace your program with a sure. New Web3 providers dot WebSocket provider. And actually I need the WSS address. So my bad about copying the wrong one. Dashboard. Click on the wrong guy. Settings. This one. It's pretty much the same. Well, alright. Boom. And then what else? Oh, come on! I should open the window. Okay, so we have this guy, and then we do const instance. Okay, so wow, this guy is actually going to, it's pretty cool. It's gonna get a contract object ABI address. Alright, so that would be done here. So address, we know it is one. Copy. But what is API? Let me see what they want me to do. Okay, this is actually Web3 stuff, so you can look at the Web3 ETH contract API. What do they want? JSON interface, address option. Ah, okay. Oh, let's see. This is the first guy. Is it optional? Oh well. Seems like we can put nothing in there and then it would be populated. Okay, I think we should generate these guys. Okay. Contract, blah blah blah, and then it requires JSON. But I don't want that really. Is there a tool for this? Okay. Yeah, but I want to get it. Let me see. Okay, I need a generator for that. Ethereum ABI generator chosen. Creation. Super hard. Yeah. API file location. Come on, this is super hard. It is super hard. Super hard. Online when coding is also okay. Maybe it's here. Probably not. Well, they mentioned API here. Oh, here it is. Thank you very much. Alright, so I have to download this file. Okay, so download this one. Copy link. And then let's put it here. Yeah, let's put it here. Wget. Okay. And then I can import it like this. Well, not exactly like this, but from what's your point here? Oh, cannot find resolve dash resolve JSON module. Resolve JSON module. Okay, that's a TypeScript thing. Compiler options. It should be modularization resolve JSON module true. This guy. Yeah, it's compiler option. Comma here. Okay, so that should make this guy happy. Yeah, and then all right. So then we have this guy. Okay, bye bye. This one, and okay, and then I have to pass this guy as the first parameter. You're not happy? It's missing variable for ABI item. Oh, it has to be an array. Alright, so array of one guy. If you're not happy, property type is missing in ABI. Well, this is actually, I think, is okay. Maybe okay. Let's try. Let's try. All right. So we did this, and we compile. still an error. Property type is mixing API. Bunch of crap. But it's requiring int item, API item. Okay, what's the API item? API item. Just want to know what this guy is. Okay, whatever. Okay, nothing. Unknown. Alright. Okay, let's see. And then we can do instance, guess past events, pair created. I think it was pair created. Pair created. From block 0. And then errors, events, faithful callback, console log, errors, events. Okay, let's run this guy. Compile first. Yeah, 10,000 results. Well, there's a lot of crap. Okay, I have to do page by page, but it seems to have worked. So let's go in the last block only. So factory, I want to see this address. Where is it? Yeah. And the last block, well, it was not the last block, but let's do it. Okay, let's take this number. Pile, run. 934 more events. One 110. 110 8. Okay, let's do the contract. Easy events, I want to see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I don't want this one only. Take this transaction. Okay, 1 1. Let's take this block. So you should show only these transactions because it's starting from this block. Compare first. Yeah, so we have way more reasonable. So this one should be this address somewhere. 5C. Oh, 5C is our address, right? It's our contract. Yeah. Block hash, who cares? And then block number is the one. This one is this guy here. And the transaction hash should be this number here. Yeah. Then ID, who cares? It's value. Okay. 0 1 2 3. So 0 should be this one. 1 should be this one, and 2 should be this one, and 3 is the 3. I don't know what this is. I think it actually doesn't. People don't think it's very important. Event is pair created, signature cares, and raw data and that stuff, right? So then the next one would be this is the address again, the contract address. Block hash should be the hash of this block. This is the block number. Yeah. Oh, you can't see where I point the finger. That's pretty stupid. All right. So we're saying that that one is the factory creation hash. No, that's the contract Uniswap creation contract address. This is stuff we enter up there, right? Then up there here or here, this is same here. Then this block hash here should be the block hash of this one. Then we have the block number here, which is same as this one. Oh, let's check the block hash. Block hash, where is it? Oh. Hash, this one, it should be same as this one. Yep. Block number, this one should be the same as this one. This one I don't care, this one I don't care. Transaction hash should be this number here. Yep. And here. Then transaction X, we don't care. Login, okay. Iter value, okay. So we have token 0, which should be this one. No, token 0, dude. Yeah, token 0 is this guy. This guy here. Token 1 is this one here. And pair is this one here. Okay. Event is pair created, signature we don't care, and then we have the raw data. And then the next one, right? So the only really ugly thing we have to do is this stuff here. And I don't know why this says that they are very different. I don't know. Any way for me to actually just use this guy? Alright, import. Okay, our guy has API EVM interface. Bad code. Alright, what's the deal here? Must be a trick. Oh, I have to JSON parse it. I am so stupid. Of course, it doesn't match. It wants. Sorry about that. Let's get this JSON. JSON parse this guy. Okay, now we have an object. What's your problem? Oh no. No, you post pass for me. No, I was right actually. So it was already done, and then yeah, it's just super silly the way they do it. So this is right actually. Damn script! I want to force a gas. Okay, so do you want me to do the ads? Array. Oh, really? No, I think just I won't insist anymore. But this is the problem. Okay, I'll do as unknown as API type. Okay, I guess this is the cleanest. It's disgusting still, but okay. So we have something. And now the only thing we need to do is to change this stuff so it doesn't have the my node ID. Alright. So I'm gonna create a file. I'm gonna create a file that stores my settings. Node ID, node secret. In this, we have this guy. Cut it from here, put it here, and if you go to these two settings, you would have the project ID. Oh, it's called project ID. Project ID. Project secret. Okay. So of course I'm gonna change these guys later. And then here I'm gonna need something to read these files. Okay, so import .env from .env.config, that loads it, and then we have node project ID is gonna be process and project ID. And here I can add it like that. So this stuff should be the same. Yeah, still works. But now this file doesn't have any public credentials, so maybe I can also save this guy. That's the put some names to this. Uniswap factory contract address. This guy. It's a bit cleaner this way. And then this is just random. I can change this very soon. Okay, so compare this, run. Okay, alright, that's it. I'm gonna go change this stuff to another project, and then we can continue. But that's it for now.